Hey guys, my name is Jim Aspel. I'm a board certified workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut. And I wanted to talk to you today about whether workers' compensation will cover you if you're in a car accident while you're on the job. The short answer to that question is yes. And it's actually becoming more common in our workers' compensation practice. A lot of times we're representing Amazon delivery drivers. Sometimes they're in an Amazon van. Sometimes they're in a van operated by a third party operator, some logistics company that Amazon contracts with, or on occasion, they will be using their own private vehicle. And while they're out and about doing their job duties, and again, this doesn't just have to be Amazon. I'm using that as an example, but you could be a plumber out on a house call. You could be working for an HVAC company. There's all manner of things where you're on the road in connection with your job. You could be a truck driver for that matter. Um, and you're in a car accident or you're in a truck accident, and that accident was the fault of someone else. So, a couple of things. Number one, regardless of the fault, you do have a workers' compensation claim. So, even if you were the cause of the motor vehicle accident, so long as you're on the job doing what you're supposed to be doing in a place where you can reasonably expect it to be, and you're not on a diversion, then you're going to be covered for workers' compensation. And like any other workers' compensation claim, they're going to pay for your medical bills, they're going to pay for your lost time, they're going to pay for any permanent injury you may have sustained. Um, so you're going to have that available too. Now, sometimes in connection with that work injury auto accident, the accident was caused by someone else. You were rear-ended, somebody ran a red light, somebody crossed the center line and hit you head on, God forbid. In any of those instances, the accident was caused by somebody other than yourself. So, in addition to the workers' compensation claim, you also have what we call a third party claim against the negligent person that caused the accident. That allows you to go to court, to go to Superior Court in Connecticut, and to sue that person for monetary damages. Now, that's important because uh, the upside uh, of bringing an action to Superior Court is that you're going to be entitled to be compensated for pain and suffering, and a number of other different things that you're not able to be compensated for in the workers' compensation case. So that actual third party case may have substantial additional monetary value to you over and above the monetary value that you're going to get from the workers' compensation claim. So you have two cases. You have the workers' compensation case, and you also have that third party case. They're um, both available to you. They both have different statute of limitations applicable to them, and they both have various pitfalls that you need to be aware of. But in that instance, where you're hurt on the job while operating a motor vehicle, you're going to be entitled to workers' compensation. And if that accident was caused by somebody other than yourself, you are going to be able to sue somebody to bring a civil claim for monetary damages as a result of that car accident. It's complicated stuff, and I would suggest to you that if you find yourself in that unfortunate situation, you contact a workers' compensation attorney who can guide you, get the medical records, get the police report, do all of those various things that are going to be necessary to protect your rights, not only in the workers' compensation claim, but also in the motor vehicle case as well, because you want to be fully and fairly compensated for those injuries. And if you've got both of those causes of action available to you, then by all means, it's your legal right in Connecticut to pursue those. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you have any specific questions, feel free to give me a call. We're in Farmington, 860-523-8783. If you have additional questions about this or any other Connecticut workers' compensation topic, there's a lot of information on our website. That's at www.ctworkinjurylawyer.com. Um, and if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to the channel for more additional Connecticut workers' compensation information. Okay, hope you found it helpful. Have a good day.